Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs, and today, welcome back to my channel, Crafty Angels. I hope y'all are having a great time. I hope you're all staying crafty. Today, I wanted to come on to wish you all a happy Easter. I hope you'll have a great time with family and friends. Hope you'll have a great Easter week and weekend. That's just basically it. And I will say this in closing. Okay? Thanks for all your lovely comments and your support. It is greatly appreciated. I would like to see... Whoops. My bad. Don't forget to join my Facebook group, Vanessa Angel Rose, Crafters United to Craft TM on Facebook. Please like, share, and comment. Give a thumbs up. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of more crafty fun on a budget, or when I upload a new video or any type of content. God bless you all. Be kind to each other. Be loving. Be crafty. Be safe. Stay safe. And I will see you all in the next video. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.